also idiots and who think that they are, because they are soldiers, they know better than you at kung ano ang pinaggagawa. And that would be a warning to you. Magdalo, Trillanes, and Alejano, be careful with soldiers who are into adventurism. Like in other countries, magkudeta sila in Africa and they stay there for 5 years and they become billionaires overnight. And you have to have a hard time removing them. That's to take an international action, papasok ang America, UN, just to bata itong dalawang ito. And remember, I really do not know. I love my military. I love my police. But be careful about military adventurism. Yang Trillanes na yan, pati Magdalo, Alejano, kung magsalita mo, akala mo graduate ng master. Kung makahawak ng dokumento, baski na double-decker silang, ito yung papel. Without really knowing what's in there. Yung kabubuhan, just because you are a graduate of what PMA, and you think that you are smart, tapos you try into adventurism, you are elected, then you abuse people. Patapang-tapang, dinadaan mo sa tapang, akala mo naman, 3 yung bayag mo. Abnormal ka kung ganun. You are no braver than the old. At pareho lang tayo, anytime. Anytime, kung hindi lang ako, kung na mayor lang ako, pupuntahan kita sa bahay mo. Buhos ko yung kape mo sa mukha mo. Totoo.